This is how I activate the licensing in Space 2024.0. In the new version of Space, you have already a new tab in the overlay, which is called licensing. Here you can handle your license. You will receive a file from us that defines where you will retrieve your license. Most customers will be retrieving it from the internet, from a cloud server. All you need to do is reference the file in Hololight Space. Here in the licensing tab you can scroll down and click select new license file. Browsing through your computer, in this case it's on a desktop, you can select it and open it. Hololight Space will save it in a dedicated folder. The dedicated folder is 3D objects, Hololight Space licensing, like so you can even copy paste it in here directly. Once this file is in this folder, you can click activate, or Space will try to activate the license on its own every time it starts. Here I have selected a floating license to activate, and I will do so. Furthermore, to explain the different modes of licensing, a floating license means you check out a license from the server and retrieve it every time you close the application, which means your colleagues and others can continue using it. If you aim to use this license offline, for example going to an expo or to a black site where you don't have internet access, you can select the roaming mode. A roamed license will stay on your computer for 14 days and you don't need internet access to continue using Space. I'll do it here. Once again, selecting roaming, I click activate. I again have activated Space, but now it will also run for 2 weeks straight without internet access required. The new licensing of Hololight Space 2024.0 does not only allow you to retrieve your seeds from the cloud, but only to host your own on-premise licensing service, which means if you have a site where internet access is completely forbidden, or you prefer to have your own licensing server, we can help you set that up.